Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to the channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you're seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GameX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GameX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame, and of course, I'm using a custom made indicator called 3M Trend Milker indicator. Okay, so if you should notice, few days ago we started this on downtrend and we achieved all our TP. Then it went back up again, and yesterday I told you that it's going to sell again, and it sold and achieved the same set of TP we said earlier. So today it went back on uptrend. You can see it buying till it got to this region. Okay, so it has not been able to go above this, so it is selling right now. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from this particular spot. That is when it's going to buy, but once it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so for now it is selling. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. I actually dropped this signal in the Telegram channel and I said something about it earlier today in my video. And just the way you are saying this is actually selling right now. I've activated our entry point. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, and TP3 has been achieved also. Okay, so we are hoping that it will achieve TP4 and 5. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PainX 1200. This is PainX 1200. 2 days ago, we actually gave out this setup and we milked it, achieving all the four TPs highlighted. And right now, it has got into this support zone, trying to go back into an uptrend, but got to this region. Okay, I saw this earlier today, but I purposely refused to give us a setup for it because I want it to give us a kind of retest and a confirmation before we go into it. So you can see it is pulling back right now. So when it is going again into an uptrend, then we should see how we can buy into it. Okay, the only reason why it will not do that is if it breaks out below this support zone, because it is selling right now. Once it breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more. So we should watch out for that. Okay, so for now, this is selling at the moment. Okay, this is selling at the moment, even though I'm not expecting it to sell for long, except if it breaks out below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999, and I love these guys. I love these. Okay, this actually went on downtrend right from here, and we can see it crashing down till this very moment. Okay, it has gotten to this support region. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend. So wait for the breakout or the switch, okay, before you jump into the trade. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. The next asset is going to be FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on uptrend right from here. It has been buying and buying, broke out above this resistance zone, got a new resistance and even broke out above it, and it's still buying. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity to keep on buying until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. So this is it. Okay, so that is how easy it is. So you guys should take note of that. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, and of course practice very well on your demo account before you start using it on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.